Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all having a great weekend and welcome to this new weekend update on Luna Classic. What I intend to do is to give you a full overview of everything around Luna Classic and Terra Classic right now. What you can expect this weekend, what you can expect kind of a little bit in February in advance. We'll talk about that in more updates of course. But just to give you an update, just to give you an overview. I won't make an update tomorrow because there's not a lot to say about Luna Classic right now. But still wanted to do it today for this weekend. So let's get right into it. Luna Classic yesterday was fairly bullish as expected in the analysis from yesterday as well. But in the end, we did find resistance at 17,000. There was just no fundamental momentum or anything, or even bullish momentum in the entire market to really challenge that level. And that's also not what we expected in the video yesterday, but still it's just a confirmation of what we already thought. Luna Classic itself, the volume is still decent, has dropped down. It's probably going to continue dropping down in the weekend. That's just the way it is. But it has been holding on fairly well, right? Even though we have dropped down quite a bit from that USDC reback proposal, compared to other cryptos, we're actually holding on fairly well. Then fundamentally, if we take a look at the governance of Luna Classic, which is obviously one of the most important things to actually keep an eye on and to keep track of. On the governance side, there's just not a lot to talk about. There hasn't been any big proposal. As you can see, most of these are just nil proposals, right? There's really nothing behind it. There's no big deposit or anything, and there's some repack actionable plan proposals, but even these are not considered by the community as really important or valid. So there's nothing on that side. There are some things that they're talking about on the fora, on Agora, like the burn tax split, the release candidate, and a discussion about multi-sig wallets. But that also just fundamentally does not have that much of an impact on Luna Classic right now. There are basically two things I think in February which we have to keep in mind. And those are the repack proposal. So what's going to happen with that? The last one was a signal proposal, so they now have to work on it. So they have to see whether it's possible, see what the possibilities are and the opportunities are. We'll get updates on that. That's going to make the market move, but we cannot predict that right now. And apart from that, it's too early to talk about it. But at the end of February, I will definitely be opening a long on Luna Classic, because of the Binance burn coming the 1st of March. Again, I think it was. It's been a while since I checked that out, so I might be behind the facts on that one, but still. So yeah, I'm expecting bullish momentum because of that. I still remember back in I'm not sure when it was. I think it was right here at the beginning of November. I also bought into or what was it, beginning of December, beginning of November. I think I also bought into Luna Classic right here and sold somewhere here at the top with the Binance burn coming. That's just a great opportunity, and it's great for Luna Classic as well. We'll get bullish momentum from that. But for now, technically Luna Classic, I mean, these are all, well, this is all great news for February, but we don't have anything on it right now, right? So if we take a look at Luna Classic right now, we have confirmed a break of the current bullish momentum. Which we had already earlier confirmed with if you draw it like this, for example, but we also confirmed that bearish breakout. So Luna Classic has 100% turned bearish, at least for now. Took a break retest off of that level, as I said, and right now we're dropping, and I think we're dropping to the same support level we dropped down to 2 days ago, which is this level between 16,000 and 15,500. Now Luna Classic, when the market circumstances in crypto are not that great, Luna Classic often is one of the strongest cryptos. So I do expect us to be able to hold 16,000 and 15,500 as a support for now. All right, if the bearish momentum continues in the market, we will definitely drop down to 14,500 again. But for now, I think we can hold it. Next week Tuesday is a day to really put into your agenda. Then we'll have the inflation rate, which is going to make the market move. I'll cover that as well, also in relation to Luna Classic, don't worry. But until that time, I think we'll be bearish and consolidating from from our major support levels between 16,000 and 15,500. So that's my take, that's my weekend update on Luna Classic. If you still want to discuss anything, if you felt like I missed anything, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.